Yellow.
Got my sketchbook and a
Red.
dream. Let's all work as a creative team. Learn to make designs with sparkle and grace. Put a happy smile on everyone's face.
Green.
Princess Design Academy with Princess Aphrodite and me. Princess Design Academy.
Blue.
In the enchanted castle where the magic begins.
Orange.
Grab a magic pencil, let the colors spin. From royal hairstyles to a carriage of light, at Princess Design Academy is shining.
Pink.
We are designing our dreams in the 3D world where everything
Dark green.
with 3D magic we're bold and we're free. Learning together the academy. Annabella
Purple.